You've scoured the internet, all the forums, YouTube, everything, and it's led you here to this page. All in search for the best sounding Ecoboost. We're gonna go over exactly what is done to this thing to make it, in my opinion, the best sounding Ecoboost in all creation. Let's just put it like that. So let's go ahead, and if you want your truck to sound like this, then stay tuned, and we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna go over every single thing that is done to this truck. It is a 2016 F-150 with a 3.5 Ecoboost. We're gonna go over every single thing that's done to it. That way you can make yours sound just like this one. So let's get into it. What we'll do, go ahead and open the hood. We'll start at the very front. All right, so what that entails is we have our open air box. Each turbo gets its own inlet tube. So no more of the sharing, turbulent air, all that junk like that. So that's what we got first thing right there. Secondly, we have, you're probably not gonna be able to see this one, but right down in here, we have what's called the VTA mod. And what that is it's a recirculation hose that comes from your intercooler, blow off, goes right back into your intakes, just recirculates that air. What you can do is you can remove it, which I have a video in one of my playlists. You remove it, and what that does is the VTA is vent to atmosphere. So anytime you build up pressure and you let off real quick, it'll just does exactly what it says. It vents it to the atmosphere, and you get that whoosh. So it's hard to show that one, but that is the second thing that I have done to the Ecoboost to make it sound the way that it does. All right, third thing on the list is catless downpipes. So I had a check engine light coming on. One of them was clogged, and it's gonna cost me like $1,600 to get them replaced. And I decided just to have them fall off and not worry with it anymore. And honestly, I think that was one of the best decisions that I made, because the turbos breathe a lot better. It sounds a whole lot better. And it was an easy fix for me. I think it cost me like $200. So catless downpipes. Then we roll on a little bit further. We get to resonator delete, which was one of the first things that I did to this truck, to the exhaust, just to get a little bit more turbo whistle. And like I said, I loved it for a while, but you always want a little bit more. So I sat there and ended up going catless a little while later, and we'll never go back, because that was a game changer for this thing. Like, just the insane amount of turbo whistle and all the compliments, and everybody, that thing sounds like a diesel. Man, so you can't complain. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, give me a like, shoot me a comment, tell me, what you're running on yours. If you're looking at this, I can give you descriptions, I can give you links for everything that I've done, minus the cats. But overall, yeah, it's just another short video talking about the old girl here. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.